Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are working on Callum's F56 JCW. We're going to be fitting our carbon airbox made of pre-preg carbon fibre. It's a new one for us, so we're going to see how it fits, etc. We'll also do a few little tests to see if it makes any difference with noise, and then in the future we're going to be looking to map the car and we'll see if it has any power gains. But for today, we'll get this fitted, see how it looks, and yeah, you can let us know what you think. Okay, so we've got the original airbox off. You can see obviously here's the gap where it was. We just need to remove the sensor off of this here, which goes onto this part, and then we're ready to put it in. There was one other thing that we noticed while test fitting it. There's a pipe here, if you have a look, Archie. This just needs to be moved because where it is, it's positioned, it kind of gets in the way of the airbox, so just unclip it and we'll put it down underneath there, and then we'll just put it in. We'll show you how it looks, but you'll see on the video what we do. Cool, so that's the airbox fitted. We think it looks amazing, looks wise anyway. We'll let you know if there are any improvements in sound and also when we actually eventually do dyno test it, we'll see if there's any power gains at all to be had. But overall, let us know what you think of the looks. When it comes to fitting, it was very simple. It was just like OEM. It would have taken me half the time if I hadn't dropped half the tools down in front of the car. But anyway, it's just the two nuts there and there which hold the front bit on, and then the airbox goes into one of the rubber grommets underneath and bolts on here, and then it's a cone filter inside. So we'll do a few revs, see if you can notice any difference in sound. But yeah, we'll put a link in the description below. It'll be available on our website, and let us know what you think.